Hey, what's up guys? It's your boy, JP, coming at you with these fresh tips on how to make awesome PowerPoint presentations. Now, first lesson, color. For starters, what exactly do we need to have a good PowerPoint? Well, there's three things. It needs to be engaging, it needs to be interactive, and it needs to not be boring. Like, I swear that is important. Well, how do we get these three things? We can start by slapping some color on your PowerPoint presentations because color engages the audience and captures their attention. Just like these PowerPoint presentations that I'm showing to you, you need to use color to its fullest extent. But you can't just go all willy-nilly in randomly tossing some color in. And for that, you need a good color palette. But JP, where do we get a good color palette out of nowhere? Well, that's exactly what Coolers.co is all about. Coolers.co is a fast and easy tool that lets you generate beautiful color palettes. It starts by clicking this button right here which says Start the Generator. It's free. Once you've clicked on the Start the Generator button, you'll be greeted by these 5 colors. Not exactly these 5 colors, but you'll be greeted by a color palette consisting of 5 different colors. Now you can change your color palette by clicking the space bar. And that's essentially it. You will find your perfect palette by clicking on the spacebar and seeing which colors you like. Now once you've found a color that you like, you can simply just click the adjust button right here, and then you'll find different ways of adding that color into your design or into your work. Whether it's hex through RGB, CMYX, you can pick it and you can have it in sets. After all of that, there's also the option down here of getting this numbered code that you can just copy and paste to whatever application that you're using. And you can also choose alternative shades by clicking this button up here. You can also lock the color in case you want it, and you can click the space bar after locking that color to continue looking for other colors while keeping that same color that you like. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching!